We're out here at Inspirations Paint in Gregory Hills where the clients reached out to us to get that electrical work done. Our work consisted of new lighting, new power points, new circuits for the new machinery being installed and new data points. This place is going to look impeccable when it's done. A proactive approach we took with the client was to make sure we set up temporary stations so the business will stay operational during the renovation.
Hey guys, my name's Ben and I'm from Inspirations Paint in Gregory Hills. As you can see, we had a huge task at hand with a full refit of our new store layout. We used Oztech Sparks because we wanted someone that was going to be super reliable. Obviously, throughout this project, we've had to be operational, which means keep our shop open. So we're really happy with Oztech Sparks work. The high workmanship, quality of work, and the finishes all ties in to the project that we're trying to complete. And we're really happy with Pat and the team.